I think that will go a long way. They have all the technical skills. They're very, very good doctors you have here. They're very, very talented doctors. They need the facilities. They need all the equipment, which is coming. And I think with joint working, with discussions, we can have, maybe online, we can have visits. A neurosurgeon from Plymouth, United Kingdom. I'm here with the team. I'll let them introduce themselves.
So my name's Dr. Lindsay Arick. I'm an anaesthesiologist, a neuroanaesthesiologist from Plymouth, and I work with Sam on a regular basis.
I'm Claire, a nurse, Claire Mills, from Oakhampton in Devon.
And I'm Della, I'm a sister, theatre sister, and I also live in Devon, and I've worked with Sam for many years.
So far, what have you done here?
So we've been doing lots of complex neurosurgery. There is a big need for delivery of neurosurgical services. There is a long waiting list, and we're here to help. So we're with Rwanda Legacy of Hope and Operation Hernia, and we've been kindly invited by the Ministry of Health to come and help. And so we've been operating all this week. We've seen patients in outpatients, we've done ward rounds, and we've been working very closely with the local team, Dr. Meneza and his colleagues. We're working very close together, training, teaching, learning together. So it's been very, very useful being here, and it's been very productive for everyone. We've enjoyed it. So we're doing complex skull-based surgery primarily, so tumours around the base of the skull, around important nerves. We've done some tumours inside the ventricles of the brain, so lots of complex surgery we've been doing together using the equipment that we've got.
What challenges have you run?
The challenges have been, it's been an environment that we're not particularly used to, so coming from abroad, and it's a slightly different system, and adapting, but it's been okay so far, and we've worked together to address all those challenges.
What can you recommend so that this type of surgery can improve here in Rwanda?
I think the problem is provision of this service. There is a long waiting list. I hear you have a new hospital coming, and I think with that, you have more beds, more operating theatres, and it will be much better, and you'll be able to do more surgery. So it's mainly the capacity here. So that is being addressed, and hopefully soon.
According to the screens that you have seen from the doctors from here you have been working with, is it enough so that if they have this environment, they can do this surgery? I think that will go a long way. They have all the technical skills. They're very, very good doctors you have here. They're very, very talented doctors. They need the facilities. They need all the equipment, which is coming. And I think with joint working, with discussions, we can have, maybe online, we can have visits. We can learn from each other. We can do continuing training. And medicine's about continuing to learn, continuing to build our experiences and our knowledge base. So that's for everyone, everywhere, all doctors everywhere. So that's what we're hoping will happen. It will happen, I'm sure, and we continue to do the same.